Hey guys, it's Kathy Bees, and I'm back with another YouTube tutorial, this time on how to get the perfect balcony oasis in the heart of a big city. Stay tuned! So here we have the old apartment before I moved in. It looks a little bit dirty, a little grungy. I couldn't wait to put my own spin on it. You'll need some scissors, zip ties, a balcony screen cover, and either some battery-operated lights or lights that you would plug into an extension cord. I also ordered this turf from Amazon. I ordered 1 foot longer on each side, length and width, than I needed. And this balcony screen cover in white for a little bit of extra privacy. And in addition to that, this beautiful expandable trellis that comes with flowers, and you can order that in different colors. After sweeping the balcony clean, you're going to lay out the turf as flat as possible and make sure that you have some turf left over on each side all around. Now you're going to take your box cutter and start slicing off the edges of the turf around the perimeter of the balcony. When I got to an area that a pole from the railing was in the cement, I wanted it to be one seamless piece of grass. So what I did was cut right in front of the rail and keep the full piece of grass together and just slide it underneath the rail itself, which looks as if you just cut little holes just for the rails to go through, or as if the rails were placed on top of the grass. And here's what your balcony should look like when you're completed laying out the turf. So now you're going to do the balcony screen cover. This screen cover protects against extra wind and gives you a little bit of privacy. Depending on how wide your balcony railings are, you may need to tie 2 zip ties together in order to tie the balcony screen cover to the railing. You're going to continue to do this along the railing using each hole that comes on the balcony screen cover, the top and the bottom. Instead of cutting the fabric, I decided to roll it up so that if I ever wanted to use the fabric for something else, I could. Alright, so now take the trellises and place them in the position that you want them to be permanently. Again, depending on the size of the railing, you might need to use 2 zip ties to tie the trellis to the railing. Now you can place your beautiful furniture in the position that you like the most. I got this set from Target, and I made the cushions myself. Now's a perfect time for you to click that subscribe button so you can be alerted when I come out with that video. And here you have it, guys, a beautiful balcony oasis in the middle of the city. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button to be alerted when I release a new video. The next one will be these beautiful cushions.